Hey guys, welcome back to my mini zoo. Today I'm going to be filling up our bird feeder, and we got these seeds and this scoop from Wild Birds Unlimited. Okay, let's fill it up. So here's our bird feeder. Now I'm going to scoop out some seeds. And this scoop is really cool. So you fill it up and then you push on this little latch and it comes out through like the handle down there. Okay, now that one is all gone, so we're going to do another scoop. I really like this scoop, and the seeds are really good too. We've used them before and the birds love them. Okay, going to do it again. I'm really excited to see what kind of birds there are going to be. Okay, I think it's full. So this is what it looks like after it's all full. Here's Cookie. She likes to look at the birds outside. And here's our cat Sugar. He loves watching the birds. He meows every time he sees them. And he likes to just kind of sway his tail if he sees a bird. Guys, look! There's some birds. I think those are like little finches. Whoa, there's a lot. They must really like these seeds. Whoa, there's so many. Here comes another. They flap their wings super fast. And wonder what other kinds of birds we'll see. Whoa, there's like 6 on it. Oh, here comes another. Oh, that one flew away. There's so many birds, and we just filled this up. There's some on the ground too. They like to eat the seeds that have been dropped. Pepper loves watching outside at the birds. He likes to call to them and tweet. He loves watching them. His crest is all the way up. He's really excited to see so many birds out today. Oh my gosh, guys, look! It's a red bird. We've never really seen anywhere we live. Whoa, that's so cool. There he is again. Whoa, that's so awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye.